Legends, what's going on? Hope everyone is well.
What's your name?
My name's Joe.
What do you rate?
Oh. Hey Emma, what's going on? So this is ADA. You know, we're under a major, trend line right now. But hopefully we can, get down to, these green zones in through here. What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone's well. Bit of a drop in the markets last night, which is pretty easy to see. Hey Nicole, how is everyone today? Yeah, so basically we want to be looking at this green zone to hold. You can see how, ADA here, we've hit the top here and now we're just forming this consolidation pattern. We're still in a decent uptrend, right? But basically we're starting to look weak because we've got that lower market structure happening in here. So sellers are taking control, but this will be, even from this point here, right? So this would be sort of the area I'm looking for, because you see like there's a big powerful move happening from here, but also a big powerful move happening here. But then we look over here and there's this consolidation phase over here before that next move. So I would love to see price come into here, and we know buyers are in this area because huge move, powerful move, and also a really big wick as well in here as well. So this shows that people are in this area to, look at purchasing this asset, but I wouldn't rush into anything as of yet. I'd just be waiting. Does that make sense? Thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. So let's go check out Bitcoin. Pretty much like what I've been speaking about in our community. You know, we're right at the top of this range here. So we could be coming right back down to this range on Bitcoin. So we didn't break these all-time highs. We shot up a little bit, but other than that, it wasn't. Nah, I wouldn't be now at the moment. But also this is the thing, right? Like when you say investing into XRP, like there's so many different facets around this. There's so many facets around there because you need to obviously have an exit strategy, and like there's so much hype, right? So if Bitcoin drops further down to here, like obviously, you know, that's going to drag the markets down. So I'd be looking at higher time frame areas of value, because this is, you know, from here to here, it's a 15% drop. It's not much, but when you talk about, you know, investing into, you know, things, are you looking for a 5-year, 10-year, 15-year plan? If you think it's going to go lower, you know, wait until you think it's going to go up from there. But just really just depending on you and your exit strategy. Yeah, you're probably going to go in the red a little bit more, mate. Because $3.19 was right up the top here somewhere. Up here. So you bought right at resistance. You, my friend, bought here. You bought right there, right at a resistance, and now we're just bleeding. But if you understood the markets, you know, you would have a look here in this area. We're getting rejected, come back here, and then we're forming this lower high pattern where, you know, the sellers are coming in control. And this is where I actually purchased last night. And I sold. So I made like 3,500 Australian dollars just shorting from here to here. Yeah, I don't know if you leverage traded or what, but it's always good, you know, like you have your long-term portfolio. So yeah, don't panic. If you don't need the money, don't panic. But just, you know, just understand that markets do change. They don't go up forever, right? Crypto crafty. Cool, man. Like long term, we're still looking good. It's just, you know, it's just in this shitty range. Like we're forming these patterns. Like if we break this, then I'd be concerned. You know, then we could come down into like the $2.56 areas here. Emma, the best coin to invest into right now is yourself. If you're asking these questions, you should be investing in yourself to get educated. Yeah, well, that's our first, you know, major support zone. So hopefully you're right, my man, and, you know, good luck. But our EMAs are pretty flat through here, so if we get too far away and we push into, you know, these support zones, then yeah, they might bounce back up and start playing this bigger range again, which would be good because, you know, we're right at the maximum opportunity here to buy some more, to take it up to there, and, you know, from this sort of area to here is a 16% move. This chart is XRP, mate. Hey, Danger Todd. Yes, Gold Coast based. How about yourself? Where is everyone from anyways? Just drop a comment where you're from. Thanks for the follow, mate. Appreciate it. Well, depending. Food vibe vids. Sure did, D-Man. But yeah, I got in last night for a nice little short, so yeah, happy about that. Appreciate everyone following me as well. Really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Hopefully not too many people got wrecked, or you know, they're looking for bigger areas to add to their positions and things like that, because potentially could be a lot of good opportunities. Everyone's always saying, damn, wish we got in at this price, but then when the markets are turning, you know, it's the sentiment changes and people becomes a little bit more wary. But yeah. Hey, thanks for jumping on. Appreciate it. Nah, I don't really touch shit coins, man. I usually just trade. I just usually trade like your top 10, 20, 30. So like right now, you know, when markets bleed or like drop, then liquidity drops out of these meme coins the fastest. Like you see Trump, right? Fucking, let's check him out. Trump. All right, like look at this. I actually had a conversation with someone today, and like, so. Like, you know, Trump got all the way up to like your $77, right? Or whatever it was. And we're just bleeding back down here. And someone was like, yeah, I bought in really low, but I just didn't understand markets. So now I've just held the whole way through because they're hoping. Like, it's ridiculous. So like I bought in down here and then I sold in up here somewhere. And then it's just bled out. And I leverage traded this. I pulled like 70 grand out on TikTok. But yeah, it's just a shit coin, mate, you know, and we'll come back down to these levels. Probably even lower. Thanks for the follow, really appreciate it. So look, if you guys want to, you know, protect your portfolios and things like that, just flick me a DM, because if you're playing with a lot of money, you know, this skill can really help you like save a lot of money, whether that's, you know, you want to trade your full time or whatever. Or just, you know, you love your job. So we're right at a critical like support level here for Bitcoin. Well, it's hype, right? Champagne Schooner. Look, it's looking weak, yes, but you know, we're right up the top of the range here, so we were, you know, high probability is coming all the way back down to retest this. So if we stay here and, you know, buyers step in, if buyers step in here, then it's good. But other than that, yeah, if we break that support level there, then yeah, we'll head down. And then it's just playing market structure until where it wants to respect. Thanks for the follow, guys. Once again, appreciate it. Thanks for sharing the live as well. Really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Appreciate that, Champagne Schooner. Just the markets, man. There doesn't need to be a reason. It's just, you know, we're right at the top up here. So we're at the top of the range and it rejected. People were selling at resistance here. Then we formed, you know, this nice bear pattern. And then, yeah, we dropped back down into this area. So just understanding where you're at in the market. And yeah. This is just human psychology, right? Where people that know what they're doing, when things come into these sort of areas, right? That's like your main range, got rejected, formed this bear pattern, then we bled down. Yeah, for sure, crypto crafty. Everything's on like a different time frame, right? We're trending on different time frames all the time. So once again, it just depends on people's situation and what they want to do with their long-term portfolio, short-term portfolios. Are they day traders? Are they long-term investors? Will they dollar cost average in at specific areas of value? So there's so many different variables, dude. And you know, it sounds like you understand that, which is really good. But if it breaks crypto crafty, you know, breaks down, why would we not, you know, take profits and then dump back in at a lower area of value, right? So then you can keep growing that portfolio. So it's how you want to trade your portfolio, you know. In and out stuff, obviously you want to be on the right side of the trend on smaller time frames. Long-term investing, long-term trading, 6, 12, 18 months, then you're looking at higher time frame stuff, and the 1 hour and the 4 hour and the 30 minute and the 15 minute time frames are, you know, just noise. So this is where it's about developing your own strategy and design it to suit you. What's everyone doing on this public holiday anyways? Everyone getting their kids ready back to school and doing all their books and all that sort of stuff, or that's already done? Also appreciate everyone following me and stuff like that. How far Bitcoin dip gonna go? So we're at a crucial support level now. We've had a nice little move into it from a fair distance away. So hopefully we sit through this. But if it breaks, then yeah, it's just plain market structure, bearish market structure. Awesome, man. Congratulations, bro. Send me a DM if you want, Crypto Crafty. Happy to have a chat. Sounds like a good thing you're doing. Awesome job. Bully's here. G'day, mate. How's things? Thanks for jumping on, bud. Things are looking up. Awesome. Good to hear. What's happening in your world today, bud? Could do. Awesome, legend. Chat to you over there, Crypto Crafty. My man. Huh, yeah. I think, you know, people's portfolios are, you know, are looking down a little bit. Like, so, you know, we should expect to see a bit of a bounce out of here, out of this area, because this is the main support area for, you know, Bitcoin. So we should see buyers step in here, even to sort of like this area around in here, right? If buyers are still here, we should have a nice reaction out of here. Like ADA, XRP. Yeah, we're all coming into these areas where people want to buy, start buying. Yeah, nice, man. Hey, MS Trades. Hope you're well, mate. Maybe, but probably not yet, man. Market's looking a little bit weak at the moment. Could be always a better buy, better time to buy. Legends, thanks so much for the follow. Really appreciate it today. Where are we at? So look, we do run personalized programs and mentorship. So, we hold your hand over a 12, 24, 36, 48 month period. So if you are wanting to understand the markets a little bit better, if you want to have someone hold your hand the whole way through, then just send me a DM, follow me, send me a DM, and we can have that conversation for sure. And yeah, see if you're a good fit for the community, see if we can help you out, okay? But other than that, about to go and have a bit of lunch. I'll be back on a little bit later on to, answer any questions, things like that. So send me a DM if you are interested in learning how to trade the financial markets, creating that location-free income, and fucking off your boss. But if you do love your job as well, use that money instead of putting it in the bank and just understanding how to get your money moving instead of leaving it in the banks and getting eaten by, inflation. Definitely isn't exciting during a drop, but focus on some positives, bright futures. Exactly, my man. Cool. All right, legends. Have a great day, and I'll chat to you soon, and I'll be back on live in a few hours. So see you then.